Welcome to Fireworks Mania. I managed to get early access to this game. It doesn't actually release until the 17th of December, but I wanted to take a look because I received an email or two about it. And it's a crazy fireworks simulator that gives you the freedom to either create fancy shows, like you can be as creative as you want with the fireworks in the game. Although I did set out to try and break my PC. I tried getting the game to drop as many frames as possible to the point of crashing the game. I do believe this game will only be available on Steam. There will be a link to the store page in the description, but remember it doesn't release until the 17th. So without further ado, we're going to jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did. Town or run? I'm going to start in town. There's two different areas. Wait, there's propane tanks. There's a tube called the PewDiePew. Right, I'm going to start off with 5 PewDiePews. And then tools. I don't want instant. I'll start off with slow fuses. Okay, what? And then I'll just light one. Oh! Oh, the fuse is going! So they literally just fire one each. Oh, I can't see his tree. And then if we light these ones... Oh! They went off straight away! They make some weird noises. Okay, what else we got? Messenger. Wait, what's Beehive? Let's just chuck a few of these out. Oh, I'll say a few. Right, let's the medium fuse. See what the beehives do. One of them's upside down. I don't know how that one's going to go. Right, here they go. Oh, you're joking. That's not it. Oh, there's some bangs. Oh, they're going everywhere. Oh, there's a little bit of screen shake. I mean, they're not too bad. Oh, a little bit of screamers. Just going to spawn in a few of these. Now I've got to go around with the fuse connection tool. I'm going to stick to the medium fuse for now. Okay, that's all of them set up. Oh, I've got no idea what these are going to do. Scared? I mean, a lot of them are upside down. But they're full on boxes. There's loads of fireworks. Oh, the screen shake started already. Some are firing off to the side. Oh god, what's happening? They're just going crazy. The lighting's perfect. I've got to go around with a fuse and light all of these individually. So I'll just do that many. Oh no. I don't have a starting point. Let me place another one. This one can be my starting point. Right, last few to fuse up. And they're ready to go. Strobalicious. Please be good. Oh, that's a real slow burner. It's just red. Oh, here the others go. Oh, that one's gone off into someone's garden. Oh, there's nothing really strobalicious about them. They're just red. They do a lot of screaming. Wait, I can get in. Oh, no. Oh, don't give me access to a garage and a house. Okay, what have we got for in here? Thick Billy. Okay. Let's place myself down. I'm going to start with a static in the garden. I don't know the level of safety with placing these. Oh no, not the TV. Oh look, that's a 75-inch Ultra HD smart TV. Oh no, in the bathroom. Right, that's the final one. Oh, this is horrible. Okay, I'm gonna light it. Go! That one's got, the first one's gone off. Oh no, no, no! Jesus fucking Christ! Oh no, I didn't light 4 of them. I set fire in the house! I set the house on fire! I've actually set the... Whoops. Oh wait, the fire goes out itself. Oh, the basketball hoop come off the front of the house. There's not a lot of destruction. I think I still hear a fire growling. Oh, there is. There's one at the back window. It's gone. Whatever it is for the cooker, come off. One of the cupboards come off the wall. I'd say that's a job well done. Let's get rid of these final 4. Fuse. My entire screen just went white. Ignite. There's only 4 left. Wait. Oh, I took the door off. No, closed sign, go away. Door, move. What is that? Tim. Let's light Tim. Oh, it's actually is lit. Oh my god! Oh no, it's stuck in the gas station. What the fuck? I just took the entire gas station's gone. Everything out the front is on fire. What was that? That was like a nuke. Tim's gone. All the shelving's gone. Where do I find more Tims? Where's Tim? Why is Tim not an actual firework? Ah, physics tool's working. Had to restart the game. But we can go and we can get another Tim now. Right, we have to try something. We have to see. Wait, how do I rotate it? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to try and jump on Tim. We're going to ignite. Oh, Tim's taking us to the moon! We're going! Jesus Christ. All them drops that just come down. The world just turned into smoke. I'm surprised my frames haven't dropped at all. We're going to place Tim down anywhere. But then what we're going to do is we're going to get a load of booms. Yeah, that'll do for the booms. We'll get some, we'll take some, whatever these are, shotgun cracklings. Put those there. We'll take some messengers. And we'll put the messengers behind the till. Just a few messengers, you don't want too many. And then we'll grab some popper boys. Perfect. Then in rockets, we'll grab some slammers. Fusing this is going to be an arsehole. There, we'll just put a couple of slammers in. And then I'm going to get some world stoppers. They sound like fun. Just grab a few of them. Then we'll take some Viper 2s. PC might break at this rate. We'll take some strobing bobs. And we'll get some red-tipped Cobber 905s. Then let's get some. We'll take some blue shoot boys, and I think that will do it. Now it's gonna. Like, I'll be back in like an hour once I've fused all of it. And I don't know if all of these have been fused together, but I've made sure that Tim's definitely done. So all I can do now is hope and pray my PC doesn't explode. Ignite tool. And it's an instant fuse as well, so they're all going to go off. Go. Oh, fuck me. Jesus, the frames. What have I done? That's not it, surely. There's got to be more. I mean, it's colourful. It's vibrant. The gas station exploded again. My PC handled it. How? Oh, that's the display over. Right, my final plan. 4 different types of fireworks scattered all along the street. Literally, if we run through it the whole way along. I've absolutely demolished this. I've not fused any of it yet. But I'm going to see if I can cause bad frame drops. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's it. There might be a couple that aren't connected. But I've just spent the last... Actually, there will be a couple that aren't, because there are some rockets underneath the boxes. But I've just spent like 10 minutes igniting, connecting all these fuses. So we're going to go to my starting point. We're going to set everything off. Instant fuse. Please at least just look pretty. Here we go. It's all going. Oh my god. It did frame drop. Still frame dropped. I think I broke the sound on my PC. The whole screen's yellow. Look, everything. Jesus Christ. I weren't expecting that much yellow. Oh, there's still a couple going off down the road. The road that I didn't even connect the fireworks up to. I set a fire on a different street completely. It's 2 trees on fire. Oh, actually, to be fair, there's a couple of rooftops and stuff on fire as well. So it does frame drop, but it still holds it pretty good. There's just nothing left of this poor gas station. I don't know where the pick... Look at the lorry. I've demolished everything. Absolutely everything is just a mess. There's fence in gardens. Just there's... I think these trees have actually... I can walk through them now. I'm pretty sure I've knocked trees down. I don't know if that pickup's supposed to be there. Where has the green pickup gone from the gas station? I think I might have fully destroyed it. And that was without Tim. Yeah, there's fencing all down this street that's just broken. Everything has been destroyed.